Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Canva Desktop on your Windows computer, or if you have Mac or any other operating system, you can download. Okay, so once you open your browser and search for Canva Desktop download, then you will see the first link for download. Click on it, and then you will land on this page, that is canva.com download for Windows. If your operating system is Mac, then it will automatically detect and give you option for Mac, but I am using Windows. Says download Canva for Windows. Click on it, and then your download process will start. Here you can see I have already downloaded it. It is saying that I am downloading it again. So if you will be downloading it for the first time, then your downloading will start. So here you can see that it says start download. As I already downloaded it, so I am going to cancel it, and I go to my download directory, and let's open it. So here in my download directory, you can see the Canva setup. Before installing it, you can also install the Canva through Microsoft Store. So you can go to your search bar and search for Microsoft Store. So here you can see that in my search results, you have to go to Microsoft Store, and then here in search apps, search for Canva. Okay, here you can see that Canva is free. You can click on it. Once the page loads, then here you can see the button for install. You can click on it and your installation will start. Because I downloaded the setup, so let's install it using this setup. But you can also install using the Microsoft app, so both methods will work perfectly. Okay, so here you can see that our installation is starting. Okay, so installing, please wait. Okay, so here you can see that our installation is complete. Let's minimize everything and see if it is on our desktop. Open it. Okay, so here you can see that I am logged in on my another browser, and it asks me to yes, continue to Canva app. But this is how you will see the dashboard. If you are not logged in, it will ask you to log in with your preferred account that is associated with your Canva. So as I am already logged in, so I continue to Canva app, and then it will open the Canva. Okay, so here you can see that it says finishing logging in, and now your login is complete, and it will automatically open the home page of your Canva. So this is how you can install Canva app and then log in to your account, and then now you can use it as you use on your browser. So here you can see that all the templates, you can customize it, and if you go to the menu, then you can also modify your existing projects. Okay, so here in projects, you can see your existing projects you have been working on. So in this video, that's it. You have learned that how you can install Canva Desktop app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until the next video, bye.